how to enable pairing mode for your Sony MDR wireless headphones and connect it to your Samsung Galaxy Android 10 phone. So let's get started. So your headphones may be different from mine, but once you find the power button, go ahead and turn it off, and you want to get them into pairing mode so they can be able to connect to your phone. So while they are off, with the power button, you are going to long press the power button and don't let go until you see a blue-red blinking light. Okay, so we'll start now. We'll hold it down and remain holding the power button until you see, just wait for it, this right there. So once you see that, let it go. You'll see the blue-red blinking light, and that means the headphones is now in a pairing state mode and ready to connect to your Samsung phone. So next up, we'll go to the Samsung phone, and the fastest way to the Bluetooth settings is you can use the drop-down notification menu section. You'll see where it says Bluetooth, the Bluetooth button. Go ahead and long press it. And when you long press it, it will take you straight into the main Bluetooth settings. And once you get into this section here, go ahead and turn it on. And then it's going to start searching for nearby devices as you turn it on. And just wait for your Sony Bluetooth headphones name to show up in the section where it says available devices. And once you see it, just tap on it one time. And then it will run the pairing process for you. You'll get a pairing request. Press OK. And after that, it will be fully connected, ready to use, and you are officially 100% connected. It will say calls and media audio. And that's pretty much it for the guide. Like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new to my channel, and thanks for watching.